guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nina. My name is Nina Nkechi. Today I wanted to actually just do something a little different. Usually I always give you guys makeup tutorials and stuff like that and promote my brand, Nkechi Beauty. But today I wanted to do something a little bit different. As you guys can see, I did my hair, like, look at this. So I actually used the Bobbi Boss, and I have it right here. This is the Bobbi Boss New Locs Boho French Deep. That's what I have in my hair right now. Basically what I did was I did individuals in the front. So like right here is individuals, and then all right here is crochet. And then even in the front, I used the New Locs as well, but I just did a little bit of a different technique to get it a little bit more distressed. So this is my review on it, okay? First, I'm gonna show you guys the hair and how it looks like prior to me doing it like this and everything. And then I'll talk a little bit about it and all that good stuff. Okay, so I apologize for how ghetto the packaging looks right now because it was all tore up by the time I opened it and stuff, because I used it, of course. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's Boho French Deep New Locs. And I got the one that's 2X, so it had like twice the amount of hair in it. And this is what it looked like. So I used one side already, but it was 20 inches. And this is what the hair looks like originally when it comes. The thing I like about it is that it has little pieces of curly hair like kind of coming out of the lock, which is what gives you that boho look. But I do want to let you guys know, I personally cut them out because my hair was so full because of it. It was so full because I did the crochet in the middle and it has like a lot of the curly pieces out of it. So it made my hair my hair was really full. I personally didn't like it like that. So a lot of the pieces I cut out. I cut all the curly pieces out. I left like one or two. I think I have something around here. Yeah, see, like I left like one or two of them, because my hair was just way too full, and it's already pretty full already. So this is what the locks look like, and basically what I did was I just went in and braided down the middle of my hair. The key to crochet to kind of make it look like parts. If you're trying to do like the middle crochet and the outside individual, so it's kind of seamless, you want to do cornrows going back just in the front part. So when you add the crochet hair, let me see if I can show you. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I did basically like rows. So that way when I add the hair, it looked like it was individuals when it's really not. These are the only individuals I have in there. And then towards the middle, I just did like a beehive, like a little circle, braided in a circle, and put the crochet in that way. So that's what I did in the middle. And then in the front, I took just individually one of these. I braided my real hair down into a just like a regular braid, and then I crocheted the New Loc hair onto that braid. And then I just took a piece of Freecher's hair. I took a piece of Freecher's hair, a very thin piece, and I can show you a piece right now. You can use any kind of Freecher's hair. I used Bohemian and Go-Go Curl. I alternated, but you can use any kind because it's a very thin piece that you use. And basically, like I just took a piece of Freecher's hair and I split it, just make sure it's very thin. And you basically, once you crochet it in your hair, you take it and you just wrap it like that. I don't know if you can see that. This is just as an example. And that's what gives it the distressed look, because it distresses the lock that is already there with the crochet hair. And I have gotten so many compliments on this hair. I love it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, this is my new hack, because I don't know if you guys seen my video I did a couple years ago. I did Goddess Locks individual, and I always do them individual, but they take me forever because I do it myself. This is a major hack. The reason why I say that is because, I mean, it saves so much time. To me, it looks great. You can't really tell that it's crochet in the middle because of the way that I did the braid pattern. And if you guys want a tutorial, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do one. But this just saves so much time. Usually with Goddess Locks, it takes me like, I want to say maybe like 8-9 hours. This took me 3 hours. And that's because I was doing work and stopping and all that stuff. So I love it. Like, and I also did, I did single, individual on the side, on the perimeter, so that way I can be able to put it up. This hair is, I love it. Like, I honestly, this is gonna be my new go-to for anytime I want locks. I just love how it looks so beachy and like, just like free, and it's super lightweight. It's not heavy to me at all. It doesn't feel like I have a whole bunch of hair on my head. I feel like before I cut out the curly pieces though, I felt like my hair was so huge. Like, my hair literally was, it was like this big with the curly pieces in it. So I cut all the curly pieces out. Another tip that I want to say for the front, do not do the partings small. Like, the partings for the individuals, don't do them small. The reason why I say that is because it gets full really quick, and when it's too full, to me, in my opinion, it's just too much. You don't want that. So do the parts a little bit bigger. You know, these are not too big, but try to do them a little bit bigger so they're not so full in the front, and you'll love them. I've had these in for about a week now, and I love them. And another tip that I'll give you too is when you're attaching the hair at the root, one thing I noticed is that if you're not careful, it gets really like bulky at the root. Because, let me give you an example. It gets really bulky at the root when you try to wrap it. And the reason for that is because when you crochet it and then you bring the hair back in, right here is kind of like lumpy. So you have to, when you're using the Freetress hair, you got to make sure that you wrap it really well. Starting at the root, make sure you wrap it really well before you go down, or you're gonna get that bulkiness, and you don't want that. To me, that doesn't look good. Other than that, guys, this hair, let me stand up and show you guys. Like, it's so pretty. And here's like where all the crochet is. And then the front is the individuals, and I feel like it blends so well. All right, so that was just to show you guys. I love this hair. I definitely would recommend it. It's amazing. It has my stamp of approval. If you want to have that distressed look, without doing your hair for hours and hours on end, I would recommend this. Another thing is price. Okay, I ended up using 6 packs of hair. 6 packs of this hair. This hair is $10 a pack. Well, this exact pack that I got, because this is the 2X, the 2 times. Where does it say it? Oh, I think it said it on the little tag that I showed you guys. 1 second. Yeah, I think it says it right here. It's 2X. So that means it's 2 times the hair in there. So it was $10 a pack for this. I used 5 because I used it to do my individuals, and then I used it for the middle as well. And then I bought 1 pack, no, I bought 2 packs of the Freacher's hair to wrap and do the distressed look on them. So I feel like it's pretty inexpensive, especially for how good it looks. And I mean, I love it. So I feel like I spent about maybe no more than like $60 on the hair. I love it. It's not heavy, it doesn't hurt, it saves you time. Like, I'm super tall, so it saves you so much time, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. I personally love it. It's amazing. And I love that I did the back and individuals too, so I can put it up if need be. Yep, so that is my review on the Bobbi Boss New Locs boho hair. Definitely suggest that you guys get it. It's bomb.com. And if you guys want a tutorial, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do it. If you guys haven't watched already, I have a tutorial on Goddess Locs, but that one was from like 3 years ago. I do my locks completely different now, as you can see. And also another thing, sorry, I want to also let you guys know, you guys can use this hair to do complete individuals if you would like to. You don't have to do crochet in the middle and then individuals in the front. As I told you before, you basically just plait your regular hair, crochet this in at the top, take a piece of Freacher's hair, any kind, and just wrap it around to give it that distressed look. If you need a tutorial, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, give me ideas on what else you guys want to see. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Bye.